Traveling makes you speechless and then turns you into a storyteller. This is my story of Peeply.
All lessons learned of lessons learned. All bridges burned of bridges burned. This time I'll do things differently. This time I'll act immediately.
This flow, this rhythm, the air, these people, this culture, these colors, their food. Oh my god, I was hooked in seconds. Peeply is a gateway to the colorful natural heritage of Odisha, which is intrinsic with a culture frozen in time and bustling with opportunity. Situated in the coastal circuit of the state of Odisha, it is a small village located 20 kilometers from Bhubaneswar, the state capital, and 40 kilometers from Puri, the district center. Applique had its genesis in India during the 12th century when it originated as a temple craft. The then king of Puri appointed local tailors called Darji to supply stitched fabrics and utilities regularly to the Lord Jagannath temple for its daily rites.
हाँ, जो शमियाना बोलते हैं मंदिर के ऊपर जगन्नाथ जहाँ पर बैठे हैं उनका ऊपर जो शमियाना लगा है ये पीपली के शमियाना है.
Applique is a French term which means to apply. This term refers to the age-old technique where small embellishments and patches of colored fabric are superimposed onto the surface of a larger cloth, on which the edges of the patches are then sewn with a stitch line. The basic material for applique is cloth. Flat motifs are first cut from cloth and then superimposed on a base cloth in a predetermined layout and sequence. The edges of the motifs are turned in and skillfully stitched onto the base cloth. Some of these motifs have exclusive embroidery work done on them and others have mirror work.
बहुत सारे रॉ मटेरियल्स है जैसे कपड़ा है, धागा है और लेस वगैरह है, मिरर है, रिंग है, बहुत सारे रॉ मटेरियल्स. ये लोकल मार्केट में कुछ मिलता है, कलकत्ता से लाते हैं और रायपुर से लाते हैं.
Artisans, with their skillful blending of myths, symbolism, and imagination, provide the craft with an appealing dynamism.
So many women are there who are working on applique and maybe casually in their leisure time after working in their home. Designers applique बनाना भी शुरू किया by the help of designers and assistance from Government of India and Government of Odisha. Design, color, craftsmanship, तीन चीजें. तो to attract the customer, the three elements are very essential.
This handicraft is unparalleled in its flexibility and versatility, permitting experimentation and encouraging innovation.
कपड़ा में तो कटन यूज़ करते हैं और वेलवेट यूज़ करते हैं और साटन यूज़ करते हैं. ऐसे बहुत सारे होता है जैसे एक्सपोर्ट वगैरह होता है फॉरेन कंट्री में तो उसी हिसाब से उसका सेट चेंज होता है. वो उनका मांग है कि लाइट सेट्स, वाइट में ऑफ वाइट, येलो में डार्क येलो और लाइट येलो. देखिए एप्लिक में यूनिकनेस है.
In crafting, there are no mistakes, just unique creations. We are all apprentices in a craft where no one ever becomes the master.
तो हाथ का जो काम है, हाथ का जो कढ़ाई है, वो सबसे बेहतर है। तो इसका मार्केट है ऑलरेडी, मतलब लोगों का, कस्टमर का चाहिदा है।
It exists
Here
in
on the
two
other
places,
side,
here and
as the
where you are.
skyline splits in two, miles away from seeing you, but I can see the stars from America. I wonder, do you see them too? So open your eyes